What is dropshipping? In a nutshell, you set up an online store, connect to suppliers offering high-demand products in your niche, and then sell those products without ever touching, packaging, or even shipping those products yourself. Wait, what? Yep, this means you can have a store full of products without having to invest any money in buying inventory up front. And your supplier is going to package and ship the product to your customer for you. Now, although dropshipping simplifies part of the process, there is still a lot of work you need to do. Not only will you need to set up a store, you'll need to be prepared to spend time finding winning products from trusted suppliers that solve a customer's problem. Write good product descriptions that list the benefits of owning that product. Set up crystal clear shipping and return policies. Add all this information to your store, and then market your products using social media, SEO, email campaigns, blog posts, and more. As a dropshipping beginner, you'll feel a rush of excitement when you make your first sale. And once you're done patting yourself on the back, you'll need to fulfill the order by purchasing the item from your supplier and provide your supplier with your customer's shipping information. Once your supplier ships the product, you can provide your customer with all available tracking information too. This is all fine and dandy when you just have a few orders to process. But if you are making multiple sales per day, it can become an overwhelming task. At Dropified, we love helping dropshipping beginners. And our web app not only saves a ton of time by giving the ability to quickly add products from thousands of suppliers at AliExpress, but the Dropified app can also be set up to auto-fulfill the orders for you as your sales start rolling in. These two time-saving features are just the tip of the iceberg in features Dropified offers that can really help a beginner dropshipper. So, can beginners have success with dropshipping? Well, if you don't give up easily, and you are smart about choosing your products, creative about how you market your products, and you are providing your customers with a happy shopping experience, then yeah, a dropshipping beginner just might be able to follow their dream of owning and successfully running their own online store. Have questions or want more information on dropshipping for beginners? Visit Dropified.com today to learn more about how you can automate your dropshipping business. Find it, sell it, profit, repeat.